Imagine a world where cutting-edge technology doesn't just serve humans, but actively protects endangered species from becoming roadkill. Sounds like science fiction? Think again. Australia has just unveiled a groundbreaking AI system that's saving cassowaries, and it's 97% accurate. But here's where it gets controversial. Could this technology, designed to slow drivers and prevent collisions, actually reshape how we coexist with wildlife? Let's dive in. In a remarkable leap forward, Australian researchers have successfully tested a pioneering AI-driven system aimed at preventing animal-vehicle collisions. Dubbed the Large Animal Activated Roadside Monitoring and Alert, LAARMA, this technology is the brainchild of a collaboration between the University of Sydney, Queensland University of Technology, and the Department of Transport and Main Roads Queensland. Funded by the iMove Cooperative Research Centre, LAARMA leverages artificial intelligence, sensors, and real-time alerts to detect animals near roads and warn drivers before it's too late. Its mission? To safeguard endangered species like the cassowary while making roads safer for everyone. LAARMA, the AI guardian of wildlife. LAARMA isn't just another tech project. It's a game changer for wildlife conservation and road safety. What sets it apart? Its open source code. Available on GitHub, invites developers and conservationists worldwide to adapt the technology for protecting other vulnerable species, from red pandas in Nepal to snow leopards in Central Asia. In regions like far north Queensland, where cassowaries frequently fall victim to vehicles, LAARMA employs a network of pole-mounted sensors, including RGB cameras, thermal imaging, and LiDAR, to spot animals with remarkable precision. And this is the part most people miss. LAARMA's AI is self-teaching. During a 5-month trial in Kuranda, a cassowary hotspot, the system's detection accuracy soared from a mere 4.2% to an impressive 97%, recording over 287 animal sightings. But it didn't stop there. The introduction of flashing variable message signs, VMS, slowed vehicles by up to 6.3 kilometers per hour, proving that technology can indeed change driver behavior and save lives. The self-teaching marvel. What makes LAARMA truly revolutionary is its ability to learn and adapt. Dr. Kunming Lee of the University of Sydney's Australian Centre for Robotics puts it best. It doesn't just function, it evolves. This self-supervised AI improves with every sighting, making it a reliable tool for detecting animals in diverse conditions. But here's a thought-provoking question. If AI can learn to protect wildlife, why aren't more countries adopting similar technologies? Could this be a turning point in how we balance human progress with ecological preservation? Protecting both wildlife and drivers. LAARMA's impact extends beyond conservation. It's also about saving human lives. Colliding with a cassowary at high speed can be catastrophic for both the animal and the driver. Since 1996, 174 cassowaries have been killed by vehicles, though the actual number is likely higher. Professor Ione Lewis, project co-lead, emphasizes the system's dual purpose. This protects endangered species while reducing risks for drivers. By preventing crashes caused by direct hits or swerving, LAARMA enhances road safety for all. Global implications for conservation. LAARMA's success isn't just local, it's a blueprint for global conservation. Ross Hodgman, TMR's Regional Director for North Queensland, highlights its significance. We're not just protecting cassowaries, we're safeguarding the health of the wet tropics rainforest and reducing crashes. By making the code open source, the project encourages international collaboration, inspiring solutions for species like giant anteaters in Brazil and snow leopards in Central Asia. But here's the bigger question. Will LAARMA's open source approach spark a wave of innovation in conservation technology, or will it remain an isolated success? As this system continues to evolve, it challenges us to rethink our relationship with wildlife and technology. What do you think? Is llama the future of conservation or just a promising start? Let's continue the conversation in the comments.